Hi everyone, it's Agnes, and this YouTube is 6 top tips to help those of you that have been ghosted. So let's go through them. Number 1, work out which one of the 5 things that I did in the Have You Been Ghosted video, which things of that list you are doing, okay? And then you got to stop doing it. So for those of you that haven't seen that video, I'll put it down below. Watch that first and then come back to this one, okay? Now, number 2, do a vision board for living in the end. Now, for those of you that have been ghosted and you want to be with somebody, get a nice big bit of paper in a beautiful color. And what you do is you actually put things on there that are a living in the end of what you want. So, love, connection, fun, feeling secure, feeling loved, feeling wanted, having a wonderful, peaceful and calm relationship. Relationships are easy. I love how we get closer and closer. Isn't it wonderful what's happening to us now? This relationship progresses towards whatever it is that you want, and put pictures of the end result that you want as well, okay? Now, you can do it in pictures. Go and buy some magazines from a secondhand store. Cut out words. Cut out pictures. You can go to Google Images, get pictures of rings or places you want to get married or places you want to go on holidays or, put candles, romantic dinners, whatever it is. Cut it out and put it on your vision board. Vision boards have been one of the best tools for me manifesting the trips, my relationship, the amazing business that I have. All sorts of things have gone on my vision boards, and I've done at least 15 in my lifetime, and they last for me a year or so. Then I do a fresh new one, and as things manifest, I cut them out. I cut them out of the vision board. I put a line through it or I remove it, and it's just a great way to see the progress you're making. Okay, so number 3, work on loving you, okay? Most important, I think the 2 best ways of doing that are self-love meditations and affirmations that support you. Firstly, 75% self-love, 25% affirmations for the relationship. I am loved, I am wanted, I'm a priority, I'm important, I matter, I'm secure, I'm worthy, I'm deserving. Affirmations for you. Relationships are easy. Isn't it wonderful what's happening to us now? This relationship gets better and better. I love how we understand each other. I love how we just love going and doing the same sorts of things. I love how we laugh. I love how we connect. I love how we wake up to each other. I love how we make each other a cup of coffee or a cup of tea in bed. Whatever it is, do the affirmations for the relationship. Okay? So, and number 4, create your own fulfilling life. Now, I did do a YouTube about being dissatisfied, and I know that being dissatisfied is one of the greatest ways to push things away. The more dissatisfied you are, the more the universe gives you more things to be dissatisfied about. Okay, so work on your own life and do things that make you feel satisfied. Listen to music, go to the movies, have a bath, lay in the park, look at the clouds, do whatever it is, go dancing, listen to, movies in your own language. If you don't speak English and you have wonderful movies in your own country, whatever it is, just go out and enjoy. You got 24 hours. How many things can you do that make you feel really good? I know some of you have to work, but there is time after work to do things. Okay, so make a list. Make a list of 20 things that make you feel really good. Look at your childhood. What things did you really enjoy doing that you stopped doing? Playing a musical instrument, being part of a track and field team. Whatever it is, pick it up again. Explore new things. Read books, whatever. Okay? Also, exercise, enjoy family and friends, and don't cancel them to be with a specific person, okay? Because that's not really self-loving, and it's not really cool to do that to other people. And if you do it, it comes from scarcity of I don't have enough time with my specific person, and that comes from lack. And in the end, it backfires and the person either cancels on you or they don't make time for you because you are over making time for them, overdoing it, if you know what I mean. Okay? So be fulfilling in your own self by doing your own things. Number 5, I think this is an important one, enjoy time alone. Okay, if you're going to have a good relationship and you're going to attract someone coming back, you need to be comfortable in your own skin suit. Okay, really important. Be happy with you. Be happy to be you. And you know what? The more happy you are to be you, people come back. When you're happy, you're not disgruntled, dissatisfied, you're not giving me enough, blaming them, needing them, controlling them, trying to, big dramas, creating dramas. And you know what I mean? Because some of you, a lot of you are living it because I get the emails from you. So let all that go, recorrect, live in your own life, and really enjoy alone time, okay? Spend some time going to an art gallery. Go and look up, you know, going to the circus, or go to a beautiful Japanese garden for the afternoon, whatever it is on your day off. Do stuff just for you because it's fun. And you know what? When you lose track of time, that's often when people come back. So, number 6, stop focusing on what you haven't got and focus on what you do have, and that's where gratitude comes in, okay? Every day I find in the shower 20 things I'm grateful for. I don't get out until I have done that. As soon as the soap's in my hand, that's the cue. Gratitude time, I go bing, and then I count them on my hands while I'm, you know, washing. And it's really good to work on being satisfied. This is a way that you work on your dissatisfaction by focusing on your gratitude. The more you practice this, the more you feel good, the more you feel good, the more you can be in a good vibe. The more you're in a good vibe, the more the person can come back because they see that you're not a pain in the backside with your dissatisfaction or your control or your neediness or your demands or you're not giving me enough or blaming them for how you feel. Okay, so that's it. I will put the YouTubes I mentioned down below in the description. Also, for those of you that are new, there are free courses and there are some paid courses. Start with the free ones. There's a 6-part How to Attract Your Person I did a while ago. And there's another one, it's 12 parts about having a wonderful relationship. I'll put those 2 down below. And there's also a long distance relationship one. Okay? The paid courses are already down in the description of every single YouTube. They're there for you as well, but start with the free stuff, okay? There's lots of good free stuff. Use that first, okay? All right, I'll put that down below too, and I will see you in the next YouTube.